Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at titingnan natin ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Taurus sa November 16, 2024 at 5:28 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo information dahil meron tayong discount. May promo ngayong November, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services. Okay, so let's see Capricorn or especially Capricorn rising. So, itong full moon in Taurus is happening in your 5th house of your passion, of your dating life. So, kung kayo ay in a relationship or connecting with someone right now, at alam nyo na parang medyo off itong person na to or parang hindi ganun ka seryoso pagdating sa relationship, you might let go of this connection. Yung iba sa inyo baka mang-ghost pa kayo no? Yung iba naman pwedeng reversal yung roles na maaring dito nyo malalaman kung the person that you are connecting with or you're dating ay seryoso sa inyo kung magsistay siya. Kasi yung iba maaring someone might just walk away and leave without a trace, na tipong i-ghost na lang kayo, no? So, pwedeng mangyari yan dahil sa isang pagtatalo, problema, or, misunderstanding, tension between the two of you. But if you're single, there's a possibility na makahanap ka ng romantic connection. But pay attention kasi pwedeng hindi naman to talaga pang matagalan. This is just for, having fun with someone. Pwedeng nga itong isang kaibigan no, na magkaroon kayo ng parang hooking up gano'n, no? Sorry for the term, but parang gano'n na friends with benefits. So, medyo mag-ingat sa mga ganong klaseng connections. Kumbaga, don't expect too much dahil baka masira yung friendship, 'di ba? And then some of you naman maaring meron kayong i-let go na na habit or pwedeng isang libangan na parang napagod ka na or nawalan ka na ng interest. Oo, let's say naging interesado ka sa pagbe-baking and then after some time napagod ka tapos parang ayaw mo na ulit, ganon. Pwedeng merong magti-trigger dyan, pwedeng meron kang project, you want to create something na parang will make you feel good and inspired again para gawin yung libangan mo na yon, and then suddenly hindi mo na meet. Tapos parang tinake mo yun as a sign na okay, hindi, ibig sabihin nito hindi pala to para sa akin, hindi ko na itutuloy, mga ganon. So, it's like losing interest sa isang bagay, sitwasyon, or a connection. Some of you naman, if you're already a parent, tapos yung anak mo nasa tamang edad na, like age of majority na, 18 years old pataas, possible na ito ay humiwalay na sa'yo or parang magpaalam na gusto niya ng sarili niyang buhay. Gusto niya na hindi na siya pinakikialaman. So, you might as well consider that. Pwedeng manggaling to sa isang pag-aaway, no? Or misunderstanding between you at sa anak mo. Or pwedeng reversal yung role nito. Ikaw yung anak, tapos ikaw yung gustong umalis sa poder ng parents mo dahil maaring conflicting na yung situation. Okay. And then, meron tong opposition sa 11th house, which is the house of friendship, the house of community. So, maaring meron kang, if you are dating someone, okay? If you're dating someone, tapos, pwedeng may mga kaibigan ka na hindi boto doon sa person na dinedate mo, na pwedeng mag-cause ng conflict, tension, or issue sa inyo ng kaibigan nyo. 'Di ba? So, pwedeng pag-awayan. But I think this will also open up, kumbaga magbibigay sa iyo ng clarity kung talagang totoo yung kaibigan mo or talagang totoo yung person na dinidate mo. Kasi parang it seems like meron ditong revelation of the things na kailangan mong malaman, matuklasan about a certain connection with a romantic partner or a friend. Meron itong positive aspect sa yung third house of communication, learning. So, I think meron kang mga i-explore na interest mo, especially if you're interested in content creation, writing, vlogging, or, creating contents online. Or meron kang i-explore na bagong interest na gusto mong matutunan, gusto mong i-master yung skill na yon that is gaining a lot of interest from you Pwedeng nakita mo yan sa social media or parang nag-spark ng interest sa'yo na gusto mong i-pursue. So, maaring yan yung isa sa i-explore mo around this time. You also have, since Pluto is in Capricorn right now, 29 degrees, so very powerful yung energy na yan. This is trining the moon. Uranus is trining your Pluto, which is in your first house of self. So, there's a lot of self-discovery sa inyo. You might be ending a situation, a connection with someone, or ending a career, or ending something in your life na hindi na nagbe-benefit para sa'yo. Because you want to transform, you want to make some changes. Okay, let's see what else. Pwede rin tong physical transformation para sa inyo, like for example, you want to change something in your physical appearance or the way na you carry yourself, the way you present yourself, ganun. Let's see. Ace of Swords. Meron ka ngayong mga bright ideas. Eureka moments, no, na gusto mong subukan na explore. There's also communication with someone. Kung meron kayong, let's say, issue or misunderstanding sa isang anak or kapatid, so pwedeng merong communication coming through. You also have, meron ka na finally nakapag-decide ka na kung ano yung ipupursu mo sa buhay, especially if this is a major change in your life. Yung iba sa inyo, aalis kayo sa comfort zone ninyo. Meron kayong gustong i-explore. Pwedeng yung iba kung ayaw nyong mag-abroad, so ngayon pwedeng kino-consider nyo na of traveling abroad or working abroad or starting your own business. Maari kasing iba sa inyo, meron na kayong idea kung paano nyo to sisimulan. Okay? Let's see what else. Capricorn. The end of a tough cycle approaches. So, kung kayo may mga challenging situation na pinagdaanan ng mga nakaraan, ayan, patapos na yan. At least, patapos na. Especially that Pluto, ito kasi si Pluto, aalis na siya sa Capricorn bago matapos yung November. So, that makes sense. Dahil yung tough cycle na napagdaanan nyo in 15 years, in the past 15 years, matatapos na. The answers you need are coming, yes. At kung may mga tanong ka sa buhay na naguguluhan ka, so merong clarity na parating sa'yo. Okay? So, this is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Good luck.